LinkedIn Marketing Frequently Asked Questions. What makes LinkedIn marketing different from the rest of social marketing? The most relevant, biggest difference is that LinkedIn is not entertainment-centric. LinkedIn is not a place to watch viral videos or laugh at the latest memes. It also isn't a place for casual conversation or heated debate. And even though it encourages a business-driven environment, it is not consumer-centric either. That makes LinkedIn marketing much more focused, and many marketers have a hard time adapting to it. The key to LinkedIn marketing, then, is that you can promote anything, as long as it drives value and opens a possibility of future business relationships. Are LinkedIn leads of higher quality than leads from other platforms? If you sell a product or service intended for business and for professional advancement, then yes, you will find higher quality leads on LinkedIn, especially if you work towards nurturing them. On the other hand, if you sell consumer goods or entertainment products, then you'll find better leads elsewhere. Can you drive sales on LinkedIn? Yes, you can generate sales from traffic and leads on LinkedIn, but you have to be aware of a few things. First, you can only use LinkedIn to sell products or services that offer either a novel way to generate money, such as innovative manufacturing equipment, or that drive professional growth, such as training or coaching. You also have to be aware that sales on LinkedIn don't happen immediately. You have to create a content marketing campaign around your product or service and to build awareness in your network beforehand. Is there a way to accelerate profits on LinkedIn once you start selling? Regardless of your objective, the only way to truly accelerate results on LinkedIn is to run ad campaigns. Even if you haven't made a sale, you can run ads targeted at key decision makers, so you can send them straight to your product pages, where they can see what your products are all about. Can you repurpose content or data from LinkedIn for other platforms? Yes. In fact, LinkedIn can be a goldmine of data and information that you can repurpose as content for platforms such as YouTube and Twitter. This is because you can find lots of up-to-date information about any industry on LinkedIn. Information that is useful to create explainer videos, news segments, podcasts, infographics, and so on. Is there a trick to keep a LinkedIn audience engaged? The trick to keeping your LinkedIn audience engaged is to stay active. In this regard, it works the same as other social platforms. The misconception is that because LinkedIn is a serious platform, then its users don't really engage much. The key is to keep consistent. That is, to post regular updates and content without sacrificing quality. Simply stick to a content calendar and post 2 or more times a day at the same time every day, so your audience knows when to expect to see your brand in their feeds. That alone keeps you top of mind. What can you do to fix your ads if they're not returning your investment? The first step you can take to fix your ads is to monitor their performance on the analytics section of your ad manager after 7 days of a campaign start date. Then you can analyze metrics such as click-through rates, views, and sessions to see if people aren't responding well to your ad, to the content, or to the landing page. If you're not sure how to optimize your ads, simply compare your ads to ads from established brands so you can see what you need to fix. Should you stop running ads if you don't find a way to fix them? If you really want to grow your business on LinkedIn, then not running ads is simply not an option. Yet, if you're struggling to create successful ad campaigns, you can contact an advertising representative who can help you to optimize your campaigns through the LinkedIn Marketing Solutions section. Can you still get results from LinkedIn marketing if you run a business-to-consumer company? Yes. In fact, if you run a B2C company, some of the benefits you can get from LinkedIn marketing include name recognition, brand awareness, and thought leadership. And you can build it all on LinkedIn with simple activities such as showcasing company culture and curating content while you drive sales in other channels. What's the easiest way to find not only followers, but also potential clients if your company is in a very narrow niche? The easiest strategy in this case is to join groups and to create your own group for the audience in that niche. This strategy sometimes does work better than running ads, because it's a long-term strategy that allows you to nurture your network until they become customers, and because it's a narrow niche, brand ambassadors down the line.